Easy question for the semi-final round. A square is a parallelogram. Sometimes, always, or never. I repeat, a square is a parallelogram. Sometimes, always, or never. Please write your answers on the board. Time is up. Please show us your answers. And the correct answer is always. I'm sorry, Holy Mary Primary School and Faith Christian School, you are now eliminated from the competition. You may now leave the stage. Average question for the semi-final round. If Malka studied math for 23 minutes, English for 38 minutes, and science for 21 minutes, and how many seconds did Malka spend for studying? Please write your answers on the board.
7.
Okay, time is up. Please show us your answers. And the correct answer is 4,920 seconds. I'm sorry, San Simeon Elementary, you are now eliminated from the competition. We now proceed to the final round. Competing in the final round are Sitio Remedios San Simeon Primary School and Naga Elementary School. Palakpakan po natin sila. Difficult question for the final round. Lot is 3 times older than Nessa. Nessa is 5 years younger than Robert. If Lot is 21 years old, how old is Robert? Time is up. Please show us your answers. And the correct answer is 2 years old. And we have a winner. The winner is Sitio Remedios Primary School. Congratulations to our math champions.
Palakpakan natin ang math champions at ang Sitio Remedios School! Patunay lamang ito na kaya natin gawin ang lahat. Hindi porket nandito tayo sa liblib na lugar na Sitio Remedios sa bundok at mahirap tayo ay hindi na natin kaya. Kailangan natin tandaan na kaya nating lahat umunlad at mangarap!
Alam ko na, kain na lang tayo sa bahay namin! Yay! Kasi, masarap ang...
Kahit mahirap tayo, may karapatan tayong mangarap at umunlad. Kagaya ko, sino mag-aakala na makakapagtapos ako ng kolehiyo upang maging isang teacher ng pinakamatalinong mga estudyante sa probinsya ng Sibilan? Hindi ko kailanman naisip na ganito ang mangyayari sa akin. Isang bata mula sa San Simeon na hindi pa nga alam kung siya'y makakapasok ng kolehiyo o di kaya sa pagiging kasambahay. Salamat na lamang at may mga tumulong sa akin at nabigyan ako ng scholarship. Salamat sa mga kaibigan katulad ni Rosa. Salamat sa mga gurong katulad ni Ma'am Sandra. May babalik ko na rin sa wakas sa San Simeon bilang gante, bilang sukli, ang ginawa niyang pagkup-kup sa akin.
Dapat may hamburger, soft drinks, at saka...
Ito na lamang ang pinapangarap ko ngayon. Na sana wala ng batang dumaan sa pinagdaanan ko noong hirap at sana'y magkaroon ng magandang edukasyon para sa lahat.